Hello everyone, this is Chris from Lord Raven's World, and I have a few things to show you. They're incomplete because I had to stop the 3D print because the size was wrong, which was my fault. But I gotten a file from a gentleman that sells 3D printed stuff that he makes on Etsy, and his name on his store name, or the name username he uses on Etsy, is VK3D, which I will have the description of, just link to the site on there. But I'm going to show the incomplete parts anyway because of the crazy detail that he put into making this sword from World of Warcraft. If any of you play that and you're familiar with the Lich King character, you will know about the sword itself. I have been making another version from another file that I had, but I don't like because it's not as detailed as this guy has. But to show you the difference in size, this is what I'm been making from this other file that I have. So you can see that there. Um, and you can see the size difference on this one here. Obviously, it was supposed to be a lot bigger, but like I said, I'm showing it anyway because look at the detail. You got the eyes, the nose there. Um, the things here, the snap-on stuff right here. Then the holes here to snap them onto the part that you want to put it on. The back part was my fault because I tried to use the tree support. I should use the other one. But in all prints there are a certain number of sanding that you have to do. The other part that I really enjoyed was the handle. Obviously picturing it bigger like I showed you with the other one. But look at the skulls. The detail in the skulls, and they pop into this hole like this. This is one of the loose ones. So you can see, goes really nice right into there. Boom, snaps right in. Um, this is also an incomplete handle. Again, too small, but you can see the detail in the handle right here, and the bumps on it, and all that stuff. It's the detail is really something else. Um, this is again is another incomplete piece, but you can see the writing on this part. Things that snapped over here probably, and same thing on here. The blade goes in here, and then of course this part, if completed, would go into the handle. Um, but again, I'm showing you for the specific reason of detail. This gentleman put a lot of effort into it. This is another part. So this blade should be bigger. But you can see the writing on the blade. I used a silk silver for the blade with the intention of making it look nice that way. So I'm gonna have to do it over again. But you can see like the cuts in the blade, from being used, and the points are sharp. So be careful. The edges are, but you can feel it. It's nice and smooth. Um, and then of course, you got the opening here, which you stick other parts that have a end like this into it. You put glue on it, and then you snap them together, and it'll hold. So this gentleman really puts a lot of effort into his work. He does other things besides this, but I'm a big World of Warcraft fan. I have played it since 2004. So that's the one I wanted to make sure to print out, and I will be resizing it to appropriate level and redoing it, and I will be posting a complete video of my findings, once I get them all taken care of. But like I said, I just wanted to show you guys for the, just for the detail of what I did have to stop the printing for. And if you guys buy it or any other of his work, please be sure to um, check out the site. Make sure you tell him, Chris from Lord Raven's World on YouTube sent you, and you guys can work things out or whatever. But please let them know that I was the one that showed you what was going on. So anyway, everybody, take care. Let me know in the comments if you do order and what you ordered, because I'd be very interested to see and how it came out. Thank you. Bye.